Hi, I am Dr. Rohit Ranade. I am a senior consultant and clinical lead for gynecological oncology and robotic surgery at the Narayana Health City in Bangalore. Today, we will be talking about how do you recover from after a gynecological cancer treatment. Now, unfortunately, there are women who suffer from gynecological cancers, and the main treatments that we offer are surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. So, what do you expect? How will be the life be after treatment? This is one of the common questions that my patients ask me. Now, with overall time, with better research, our treatments have got more effective, and the side effects which are caused by the treatments are reducing, but it is not zero. So, what will help you in getting back to your normal life as much as possible after a cancer treatment? As a cancer surgeon, as an oncologist, it is what I want is my patient should recover well and get back to their normal activities. So, there are certain things which will help you to recover well. One is good emphasis on nutrition. Somebody should take good amount of proteins, adequate amount of carbohydrates, at the same time have a very balanced diet, because proteins are very important for recovery of the body. It's also important to adapt to a good exercise routine. It may be joining a gym, starting strength training, or doing something like yoga or cycling or dancing or whatever you feel like. Exercise has a dual impact. One is it will help you to be fit. At the same time, it will secrete good hormones in your body which will reduce the stress. Stress is a very important factor, and it's important that I am sure with so much amount of treatment and anxiety, you are expected to have lot of stress. So you should always do some things which will help to reduce the stress. It may be something simple things like meditation, listening to music, or going out for holidays. All of this will help you to recover quickly. At the end of the day, it is very heartening, and we want all our patients to go back to leading a normal life as what they were doing previously. In this, there is also one more important thing which all of you should remember, that is to go for your regular checkups. It's not that once the cancer treatment is done, everything is finished. You need to go for regular periodic checkups as suggested by your doctor. Thank you very much.